This is my 1987 GMC Sierra 2500. Just picked it up the other day and I got it painted back to the original two-tone, the cab and the underside. And I went and got to our local muffler shop, Jay's Auto, and had them put 18-inch glass packs on it. 2.5-inch pipe out to 3-inch tips. It sounds pretty wicked. There's the glass packs. True duals, no cat. I think it makes it run better. And then I picked up some GMC 2500 HD wheels to put on there. Had to get some special lug nuts. They had to get the 9/16 dual thread lug nuts instead of the 14mm ones, so the caps will thread on there. They look fine without the caps, but I wanted them with the caps. I'll do a sound test for you here in a minute. I'll show you the interior. It's a pretty clean truck. 66,000 miles on it. I don't know if you can see that, but and we got brand new Cooper Discover AT3s on there. I think they're pretty good looking on this truck. I'll do a sound test for you.